MHC Kenworth Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. A low-mile 2020 Kenworth T680 is for sale at MHC Denver. It's clean, a 455 horsepower, 12-speed automatic smart wheel, 76-inch raised roof double bunk with 12K fronts, 40K rears, a 232-inch wheelbase, and a 2.64 rear ratio. Your tires, 22.5 LPs, polished with dual 120-gallon fuel tanks. You've got a PACCAR MX-13 under the hood with a PACCAR 12-speed automatic transmission. Your interior looks untouched. The sleeper is very nice, lots of room and storage with a carrier APU, and your dash shines. If you want this truck, a 2020 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.